Hi guys, my name is Rafa Sulemange. I'm from Bahia, Brazil. Let me tell you about me, but very quickly because we have recipe to do. I live in England for 12 years. I work in a different places, but my Baiana food brought me to continue do Aziz. Today I will be cooking for you my moqueca. This is very special dish because it's taking me back my home, Bahia. Let's do this. Follow me. This is a very easy seafood dish. You can use 8 ingredients: coriander, peppers, palm oil, onions, salt, prawns, fish. I use it boneless fish, but you can use it any fish. My homemade coconut sauce, but you can use it the supermarket one. One of this day I show you the recipe my coconut sauce. Coconut sauce, palm oil, fish, is a little bit salt, in medium heat. When all the ingredients together, you leave about 5-7 minutes, stirring up, ou vai dando uma mexidinha. Keep an eye the fish while on this cooking. I'm gonna chop the coriander. Now that I chop the coriander, let's put the prawns inside. Stirring up, careful, because it's boneless fish. And leave about for 1-2 minutes. Prontinho, is ready now. Careful, take the fish. Oh, it's amazing. I love this mixed color onions, a little bit. Look at the rich sauce. Smell is great in here. In the end, add chopped coriander. Nice plate. It's time to eat. I like the chili sauce. You can use a pinch of lemon. It's very hot. Que delícia. If you like this recipe, follow me on my Instagram, Chef Rafa Sulemange, for more updates.
Antshotit.